Thought you should know that all those prayers you thought you wasted on me must have finally made their way on through. I thought you should know that I got a new girl down there in Jefferson City. She lets me fish whenever I want to. Yeah, I'm still proud of where I came from. Still your only damn son. Can you believe I'm on the radio? Just thought you should know. Thought you should know. Thought you should know. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. This is the Morgan Wallen. Thought you should know. Thought it was a great time to come out with it. So let me know if you have any questions. But this song is in standard tuning and does not have a capo, and it's pretty dang easy to play. So the chords you're going to use for this, you're going to use G, then D, and then A minor 7, which is just A minor but without the ring finger, and then C. So you can see that's a super easy transition, right? Okay, so the way that you do this, you're going to start just by playing, and this is not, I'm not showing you the picking way to play, I'm just showing you how to play it with strumming and chords. So you're going to do G, D, A minor 7, C, G, D, A minor 7, C. Okay, and that's the intro. And actually, I think that's the chord progression for a lot of the song. I'm going to show you the strumming pattern and where you play the chords and everything as well. So stick with me throughout. But so what you're going to do is you're going to do that once. You're going to do that G, D, A minor 7, C in the intro, and then we're going to go in with no lyrics. You can do that twice, and then we'll go into it. So what the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so now when you get to the verse, play that same thing, but instead of hitting the bass notes up here, don't hit those. Try and just hit the from D down. So just hit. So what's going on, mama? Something was dawned on me. I ain't been home in some months. So you're gonna put that, but makes it softer. You're gonna want to play the verses softer. Okay, so you're gonna start with G on what's going on. What's going on, mama? And then D is something. You play D right before something. Something just dawned on me. And then you do A minor 7 right after me. I ain't been home in some months. And then months you play C. Months. And then G is on beat, Ben. Been chasing songs and women. And then after women you play the D, okay? Making some bad decisions. And then after decisions you play A minor 7. God knows I'm drinking too much. And then much is C. Much, yeah I know. So no is G. Yeah I know you've been worrying about me. So bout is where you can do D. About me, you've been losing. So losing is A minor 7. Losing sleep since 93. And on 93, just do like one strum and let it ring out, okay? 93. And then you're gonna go into the chorus. I think you don't have to do that, but kind of give yourself a couple counts. So then you're going to play G. Thought you should know. And you're going to play that before you say thought. Thought you should know. So no is D. That all those prayers is A minor 7. Prayers you thought you wasted on me. And then you're going to play G. So wasted is C. So prayers is A minor 7. Wasted is C. And then G is must. But you're playing G before the must. Must have finally is D, finally made their way on. On is A minor 7, on through C. And then you go to G before you say I. I thought you should know. Same thing, you know you're doing D. Know that I've got a new. So new is A minor 7. New girl down there in Jefferson. Jefferson is C. Jefferson City. G. Let's see. She lets me fish. So fish is D. So you play the G before she, and then you go to D on fish. whatever I want. Want is A minor 7, 1, 2, C. Okay, and then you're gonna do, yeah, I'm still proud. So proud is G. Proud of where I came from. Still your. Okay, still your is D. Still your only damn son. Can you is A minor 7. Can you believe I'm on the radio? Radio is C. Oh, thought you should know. So no is G. No, thought you should know. That second no is D. No, thought you should know. And then that no is A minor 7. No, and then C. Then you're going to the verse. Oh, by the way, mama, didn't mean to ramble on you. And then you're just gonna play that, okay? So it's not a super difficult song at all. After the third chorus, when you're playing it, I would recommend playing it like softer. Thought you should know that I got a new girl down there in Jefferson City. So you could palm mute it. You could even do like single strums. Thought you should know that I got a new girl down there in Jefferson City. So you could do something like that. Anyway, that's how you play the song. It's not difficult. The strumming pattern is just that same thing. It's just that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. The strumming and the chord progression is exactly the same throughout the whole song, so it's not difficult. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.